I know how frustrating it can be to sift through endless options when you just want a solid workout bench. I bought and tested these 5 folding Olympic benches so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Let's dive into what makes each of these benches unique and which one might just be your new workout partner.
Product number 1. Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench. The Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench caught my eye for its versatility and compact design. When I first assembled it, I was pleasantly surprised by how sturdy the frame felt, made of heavy-duty alloy steel. The bench weighs about 23.2 pounds, which adds to its portability without sacrificing stability. I unfolded it and immediately appreciated the 84 adjustable options. With 7 back adjustments, 4 seat adjustments, and 3 leg adjustments, it covers all bases for a full body workout. Whether I wanted to do incline bench presses or decline sit-ups, I felt secure and comfortable. The quick adjustment mechanism is a game changer. I could switch positions seamlessly, making my workout more efficient and less of a hassle. However, while the design is compact and portable, I did notice that it might not be the best fit for taller individuals. The height of the bench is fixed, which can be a downside if you're above average height. Additionally, while the padding is comfortable, I felt it could have been a bit thicker for extended workouts. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile bench that won't take up much space, the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench is a fantastic choice. It's durable, easy to adjust, and perfect for a variety of exercises. With a weight limit of 660 pounds, it's designed to handle your toughest workouts, making it a solid investment for anyone serious about fitness.
Product number 2. Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench. The Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench is truly a step up in terms of quality and functionality. I purchased it at $149.98, and I can honestly say it feels worth every penny. With an impressive weight capacity of 800 pounds, this bench is built from commercial-grade steel, which gives me confidence during heavy lifts. What stood out to me was the elongated backrest, measuring 30 inches, which provided excellent support for my head and spine. One feature I loved was the 144 adjustable positions, allowing for a range of exercises from flat to incline to decline. This means I can target various muscle groups effectively. The quick adjust mechanism is fantastic. I could change the angle with just a pull of a pin. This quick adjustment also extends to the foot pad, which ensures stability even on uneven surfaces. I found it particularly useful when working out in my garage gym. However, one drawback I encountered was the bench's weight. At 28.5 pounds, it's heavier than some others I've tested. This could be a concern for those who prioritize portability. Nonetheless, the Flybird's construction and design make it a reliable option for anyone looking to build a serious home gym. With a 1-year frame replacement and 3-year parts coverage, the brand also backs up its product, which is a huge plus in my book.
Product number 3. The ViewSign Adjustable Weight Bench. The ViewSign Adjustable Weight Bench is the most budget-friendly option I tested, priced at $46.61. This bench surprised me with its quality given the price point. Weighing only 16.3 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to move around. When I first set it up, I appreciated how quickly it folded down. With a compact size after folding, it barely takes up any room, making it perfect for small spaces or apartments. One of the standout features is the adjustable backrest, which can be positioned to 3 different forms: incline, decline, and flat. This flexibility is essential for a full-body workout. The included resistance bands were a pleasant surprise, adding another layer of versatility to my training sessions. I could easily switch between dumbbell exercises and resistance training, which kept my workouts fresh and engaging. On the downside, while the structure felt stable, I did notice it was rated for a maximum of 600 pounds, which is less than some of the other benches I tested. Additionally, the padding, while comfortable, could be improved for increased durability. However, for those starting their fitness journey or looking for an affordable option, the ViewSign bench is an excellent choice that won't break the bank.
Product number 4. Flybird Utility Weight Bench. I was genuinely impressed by the Flybird Utility Weight Bench,
priced at $109.99. This bench feels incredibly robust with a weight limit of 660 pounds and is crafted with commercial-grade materials. I found the zero-slip locking mechanism to be a fantastic safety feature. It ensures that the bench stays in place during intense workouts, which gives me peace of mind when I'm pushing my limits. The versatility of this bench is fantastic. With 96 combo settings, I could easily switch between exercises targeting different muscle groups. The quick assembly and foldable design make it perfect for those of us with limited workout space. When I finished my workout, I simply folded it up and slid it under my bed. However, one minor complaint is the height. While it's ergonomic for most, taller users might find the 17.38-inch height slightly limiting. The padding was comfortable, but could use some extra cushioning for more extended sessions. All in all, the Flybird Utility Weight Bench is a worthy investment for anyone serious about their fitness journey.
Product number 5. Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench for Tall Users. Finally, the Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench, designed for users up to 6'5", is a game changer. Priced at $107.98, it's tailored for taller individuals, which is a rare find in the market. The extended backrest and adjustable headrest finally solve the annoying problem of having my head hang off the bench during presses. This thoughtful design makes it incredibly comfortable, allowing for proper alignment and support during workouts. The bench's weight capacity of 750 pounds is impressive, and it feels rock solid during lifts, thanks to the reinforced triangular structure. It has a total of 90 adjustable positions, giving me flexibility in workouts, from incline to decline. The locking mechanism is secure and easy to use, allowing me to switch positions swiftly without any hassle. However, being heavier at 27 pounds than some other models, this bench might not be as portable, but the stability and comfort it offers make it worth it. If you're taller and looking for a reliable, sturdy bench that accommodates your height, this Flybird model is definitely one to consider.